A new year begins, the calendar turns, the page resets, and suddenly everything feels full of possibility. But this year is different. This video is something special because what I'm about to share is the kind of truth most people never hear. Once you hear what's coming next, you'll start the year with an advantage that others won't have. A new year is a fresh chance to begin again. Many people start by writing resolutions, getting healthier, learning more, managing money better, reducing stress, becoming stronger inside and out. But today, I want to share a simple truth that can completely change your life. To create a better future, start by learning skills that can actually make you money. Because let's be honest, money is motivation. It gives you freedom, options, and the power to shape your own life. Choose something valuable, something in demand, and something you genuinely enjoy. Keep learning, keep improving, and never tell yourself you're finished. Remember, leaves fall when they believe they've already turned golden. Growth ends the moment you think you're done. But learning alone isn't enough. You also need habits that protect your health and your energy, because success means nothing if your body and mind are exhausted. Healthy habits don't have to be extreme. A short walk, a gentle stretch, a few minutes of movement, these tiny actions can create real change over time. Choosing simple, nutritious foods can lift your energy and your mood. And don't forget the most powerful habit of all, slowing down, breathing, resting. A calm mind builds a strong year. Real progress doesn't come from big leaps. It comes from small, consistent steps that stack up day after day. As the days move forward, remember this: every morning is a brand new beginning. Whatever your goals are, keep going. One day, one step, one choice at a time. And because this video is part of something special, the next one will show you how to create a clear, science-based plan to achieve your goals faster and smarter. So subscribe and like for more. Your best year is starting now.